Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blockchain News Club. Let's take a brief intro into today's crypto updates before going into the details. Senator Scott and Senator Tillis stated that the lack of regulation in the crypto space has become a serious issue by now and investors losing a great deal of money. The crypto tracker has spotted 3 consecutive crypto transfers, carrying 150 million XRP each and 450 million XRP in total. All 3 transactions were made by Ripple Labs. Ripple's price has been trapped inside a static range between 42 cents and 31 cents and is struggling to break out. A consolidation stage within this range could be imminent as the cryptocurrency was recently rejected from a vital resistance level. Ripple has pledged as much as $1 million in its native coin XRP. The funds will go towards several organizations providing relief for victims of the Turkey-Syria earthquake. Before we dive deep into today's updates, please subscribe to our Blockchain News Club channel. It will help us immensely. SEC's hostile approach to crypto space made investors lose billions of USD. Extracts from a recent U.S. Senate Banking Committee hearing on the crypto crash were shared by XRP enthusiast 801 XRP. 2 members of the group voiced their displeasure with the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency industry, the recent losses of billions of dollars by investors, and the SEC's repeated, ultimately fruitless efforts to exert its authority over the sector. The tweet includes video clips of 2 committee members, South Carolina Senator Tim Scott and North Carolina Senator Tom Tillis. Concerning the lack of oversight in the cryptocurrency industry, they discussed recent crashes, investor losses, and hostile efforts by the SEC and its chairman, Gary Gensler, to regulate the sector. Over the course of the hearing, which was titled Crypto Crash: Why Financial System Safeguards Are Needed for Digital Assets, many different points were brought up. There is the SEC and its hostile regulation of the crypto space, as well as the regulation of stablecoins and whether or not the SEC should work together with the CFTC. Senator Scott claimed that the regulatory agency's attempts to clarify the crypto space have instead confused the situation. From calls stressing the importance of regulation to those claiming that existing U.S. authorities already possess the resources they need to effectively monitor the cryptocurrency industry, the committee has heard it all. He expressed his disappointment in Gary Gensler's inability to attend the hearing, saying that the SEC is eager to hear from Gensler before September. Additionally, the senator emphasized that regulators have allowed activity in the crypto space without providing numerous players with clear rules of the road. Recent space failures can be directly attributed to this issue, which the hearing set out to investigate. Scott claims that the SEC could have saved investors billions of dollars by not being hostile to the crypto industry, which would have prevented the massive crypto crashes of 2022 FTX, Celsius, BlockFi, etc. Senator Tillis has voiced his displeasure with Gensler's efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency industry. Having heard that Mr. Gensler thinks he has full authority to implement a regulatory regimen, he said, "I don't find much comfort in knowing that." He added, "He has been going a little too fast and a little too expensive on rulemaking." As a result, Tillis has called on the U.S. Congress to establish a regulatory framework for the cryptocurrency sector. Both senators have urged Congress to take action. Since December 2020, the SEC has been litigating against Ripple Labs over allegations that it sold XRP tokens without first registering them as securities. It recently filed a lawsuit against the US-based Kraken exchange for failing to adequately disclose the risks associated with its staking as a service offering. It had previously caused the Coinbase exchange to suspend its cryptocurrency lending service. 450 million XRP moved by Ripple, here's why it may be sale. Whale Alert, a prominent DLT service that tracks large crypto movements, has discovered that the San Francisco-based fintech company Ripple has moved a massive amount of XRP tokens. During the past 17 hours, nearly 500 million XRP have been moved. Bethomp's data indicates that Ripple could be selling hundreds of millions of XRP in this market. The aforementioned cryptocurrency monitor detected 3 successive cryptocurrency transfers totaling 450 million XRP. Tokens linked to the Ripple network at this price are worth approximately $166.3 million in U.S. currency. Ripple Labs executed all 3 deals. The links provided by Whale Alert are broken, but a Twitter user commented with a working link to the XRP-centric platform Bethomp. There was a large internal transfer, however, as the money was split among 3 different Ripple wallets. The total of 131 million XRP from these trades was split into 2 separate transfers, both of which were sent to the Bittrex exchange in the United States. Ripple frequently converts some of its XRP holdings into fiat currency by transferring them to cryptocurrency exchanges. This helps to maintain the token's liquidity and pays for the company's operating costs. XRP entering danger zone, is a crash coming? The price of Ripple has been stuck in a narrow range, between 42 cents and 31 cents, with little chance of escaping. Since the cryptocurrency was recently rejected from a key resistance level, a consolidation stage within this range may be on the horizon. The weekly chart. Ripple's weekly chart shows a falling wedge formation dating back to 2021. After being turned back at the upper boundary of the wedge, the price recently dropped marginally. For the past 4 months, the area around 31 cents has provided strong support, while the area around 55 cents has acted as primary resistance. If Ripple's price falls below 31 cents, a rebalancing is likely, and the next stop is the lower boundary of the wedge. The daily chart. As shown in the chart below, the break of the 200-day moving average was caused by the rejection of the long-term downward trend line. Most of the time, the position of an asset in relation to its 200-day moving average shows how the price is likely to move. If the price goes below the MA, the overall trend is said to be bearish. The same is true if the price goes above the MA. In conclusion, the fact that the price has dropped below the 200-day moving average shows that the current outlook for Ripple is mostly negative. Still, the price is likely to stay between 31 cents and 44 cents. Ripple pledges up to $1 million in XRP to Turkey's earthquake relief efforts. Ripple, a fintech company based in San Francisco, has promised up to $1 million in its own coin, XRP. The money will go to several groups that are helping earthquake victims in Turkey and Syria. Ripple said on February 15 that it would give $1 million in XRP to NGOs helping people in Turkey and Syria who were affected by earthquakes. The fintech company said it was giving directly to the Crypto for Charity Relief Fund with $250,000 in XRP, which is about 654,000 coins. Also, it said that it would match all crypto donations to the fund, up to a maximum of $750,000, with the same amount of crypto. Reports say that on February 6, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit Turkey and Syria, killing more than 36,000 people. Ripple explained that the fund helps 4 non-governmental organizations, including CARE, Mercy Corps, and the International Rescue Committee. These help people in Syria and Turkey who have been hurt by giving immediate cash, basic items like household kits, dignity kits for women and girls, hygiene supplies, and more, according to the website. Funds will also go to organizations like World Central Kitchen that will work with field kitchens, local chefs and restaurants, and food trucks to feed survivors and first responders. Ripple isn't the only company or person to say they will support the cause with cryptocurrency. The Tezos Foundation is also making it easy for people to give crypto to help with relief efforts. Vitalik Buterin, who helped start Ethereum, has also been giving ETH to many non-profit organizations. Over the past few days, Vitalik has sent about $228,000 to 2 groups helping people in Turkey who were affected by the earthquake. The most recent donation, from February 13, went to Anka Relief, a crypto-based aid fund and community that helps people affected by the earthquake in Turkey. Vitalik also gave 100 ETH to IBHAP, a charity that takes cryptocurrency donations. On the IBHAP website, it says that more than $4.4 million has been given through digital assets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates in the blockchain community.